Did you know that the most successful, independent women often struggle the most in dating? Here's the shocking reason why. When a woman has her life together, pays her own bills, and doesn't need rescuing, it can actually threaten a man's sense of purpose. Society teaches men that their value comes from being needed, from being the provider and protector. So when they meet a woman who already has everything figured out, it creates an identity crisis. There's also something called the competence-warmth trade-off. When people see a capable, successful woman, their brain automatically assumes she must be less nurturing or caring. It's completely unfair, but it happens unconsciously. Many men are actually drawn to women who need fixing because it makes them feel important and valuable. They grew up learning that love means being needed, so a self-sufficient woman, no matter how amazing she is, doesn't trigger that same feeling of being essential. The irony is that independent women make the best partners because they choose to be with someone, not because they have to be.